In about 10 minutes, we're going to build this visually appealing, interactive, and beginner-friendly dark mode toggler, only using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And if you don't have VS Code downloaded, in the description below, I'll link the download page so you can knock that out and follow along. Without further ado, let's get started. that about sums it up. 1,000 thanks to all of you for checking out my video. If you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, because in the next I'll be walking through another beginner-friendly portfolio gem. And if you guys have any questions, suggestions, or requests, feel free to comment below and I'll do my best to respond to every single one of you. Until next time, signing off.